I welcome you once again in my class today. Meanwhile, I will have my humble request to you all that please keep your videos unmuted. Please mute and unmute yourself if required. All those whom I have unmuted, you can mute and unmute yourself if required. In my last class, I was teaching about the database and I was teaching about the keys. I hope the topic keys has been made clear to you all. Do you agree, everybody? If you want to unmute yourself, get yourself unmuted, you will raise your hand. Okay. Are the keys clear to you all? I have taught you the keys. I have taught you keys. Is the things clear? Is it clear? Is it visible? Pragya? Pragya, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Can you read what it is written?
So it's written keys of database.
Well, so what are the keys? We have learned about first primary key. We have learned about primary key. Then next we have learned about alternate key. We have learned about alternate key. Third, we have learned about candidate key, and finally we have learned about foreign key. Okay, foreign key. Now, what is primary key? Primary key whose values are unique. Whose values are unique. It is called primary key. Whose values, attributes, whose values are unique. Whose values are unique. Whose values are unique and cannot be left blank. Cannot be left blank. This is called primary key. Then we have alternate key. All other attributes of relation, other than primary key is called alternate key. Okay. Then we have candidate key. The key, we will write attributes which possess all the characteristics of becoming primary key, but is not primary key. This is called candidate key. I hope it is clear to you all, and you have studied in the previous class also. I have taught this thing in the previous class. It is all about the revision. I have taught all these things in the previous class. Now, one thing is left, that is foreign key. Right? It is foreign key. Foreign key attributes whose values are derived from table. This is called foreign key. I hope it is clear to you all. Any problem? Is it visible? Is that visible? All of you?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
It is visible. All of you, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Our terms are clear. Have you taken it down? Have you taken it down?
No, sir, it will take a minute more.
Okay, you take it down.
Yes, sir, you may proceed.
Should I proceed next?
Yes, sir, you may.
Next. Let's see. Now suppose here we have taken one relation. The name of relation is, here we have taken one relation. The name of relation is as stood. And here we have the first that it is admission number, right? Then we have name. Then we have class. Then we have class. We have section. We have email ID. We have email ID. And we have mobile number. Okay, we have mobile number. How many attributes are there? How many attributes are here? Can you tell me, students? I have unmuted all of you. Can you tell me
So
how many attributes are here?
six.
6 attributes. Okay, admission number, name, class, section, email ID, and mobile number. So first we have this is admission number. We have made it primary key, and I am writing here PK. Then is names. This is name. This is not primary key. This is attributes, but it is not primary key. This is alternate key. This is alternate key. This is primary key. This is alternate 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 key. Right? So these are alternate key. This is primary key. All other keys in a table, in a relation, is called alternate key. Right? I hope it is clear. The primary key is clear to you, and alternate key is clear to you. Next we have the next key, that is candidate key. Let's suppose this is unique, right? You see here, this is unique. Name is not unique. Name is not unique. Class is not unique. Section is not unique. But email ID is always unique. Email ID is always unique. So, but this is also unique. Email ID is also unique. Mobile number is also unique. But we have made the primary key to admission number. This is also unique. This is also unique. And this is also unique. But to whom we have made the primary key? We have made this primary key. Okay. But in absence of this, this can also be haved as a primary key. मगर अभी ये प्राइमरी की नहीं है. किसी समय में ये काम कर सकता है, मगर अभी ये प्राइमरी की नहीं है. ये क्या है? This is candidate की. जरूरत पड़ने पर ये बन सकता है. ठीक है? I hope it is clear. Any problem? Now you will unmute yourself one by one and you will let me know the data type of this. फॉरेन की इसके बाद पढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है? एडमिशन नंबर, इसका डेटा टाइप क्या होगा ये बताओ. लेट मी नो द डेटा टाइप ऑफ एडमिशन नंबर. हाउ मेनी एट्रिब्यूट्स? 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will tell me the data type of each attribute. Admission number. So you unmute yourself. Integer.
Integer.
It is integer. Admission number, it will be integer. Right? I am taking size 3. Name. What will be data type? Archit, what will be data type? Tell me.
Sir, varchar.
Varchar. You will take char. Okay, char. Can you tell me what is the difference between char and varchar? I will let you know. What is the difference between char and the varchar? Wait 1 minute. Class. I am taking it char size 3. Section. I am taking it character size 1. What about the email ID? Again, it will be character. It will be character. Okay, it will be character size 30. Mobile number, we will take it character size 10. Right? So I hope you have understood it. So when we are going to create the table, when we are going to create, when we are going to create the table, we must have something in our mind that we must know the name of the table. We must know the column. What thing we should know? First thing we should know about the name. Name of the, we must know the name. Name of table. Name of table. First thing we must know the name of table. Second thing, we must know the attributes. Attributes. Second thing, we must know the attributes of the table. Third thing, we must know the data type. Data type. We must know the data type of attributes. Attributes. Okay. This is now how to create the table. How to create the table. Let's see how to create the table. We will write the code here. In order to create this table, we will write the code here. Take it into immediate notice. Okay, let's see how to create this table. Now, what is the command? How many of you will say? What is the command to create the table? Mute yourself. Tell me the command to create the table.
Create.
Create table.
DDL create.
Create table.
Say DDL
क्रिएट टेबल
create table.
टेबल का नाम
My question is, name the command with which we can create the table.
क्रिएट कमांड
Create command. We have the command
Yes, sir.
create table. We have the command statement create table. It says that we are going to create a table. We are going to create a table. Now, what is the name of the table? What is the name of the table? What is the name? Stood. What is the name of the? So here we will write stood. See, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. And here we write attributes. Attributes. Right? This is the syntax to create the table. Here we have written create table. And here it should be the name of the table. And here we define all the attributes. One attribute, we will define it. Again we will define it. Second attribute. Again we will define third attribute. Again we will define four attributes. Fifth attribute and the six attributes. We will define each attribute. So let's see how to write. I hope this is clear to you. You must write in your copy. Okay. Now see how to write. In the case of this table. Okay. See here. So how we will write? I hope it is visible. Create table stood. Okay, create table stood. Bracket I have given. What I have given? Bracket. The first attribute is admission number. The first attribute is admission number, and its data type is integer, and size is 3. Okay, the first attribute is ADMNO. Okay, ADMNO. What is this ADMNO? What is this? Unmute yourself. What is this ADMNO? Tell me.
Admission
Admission
number.
number.
This is the name of the first attribute. The name of the first attribute.
First
Okay.
attribute.
Okay. I hope it is clear. Next.
Yes, sir. And
Sima and
to
Sima,
make it
start your video
primary
and mute
key.
yourself. Sima. Khushbu, unmute yourself. Start your video. Khushbu, certain queries, keep your videos on so that I could ask you. Okay. My question to you is, Khushbu, my question to you, what is data type of ADMNO? Okay, tell me, hurry up. Nikki, start your video, unmute yourself. Nikki,
Yes, sir.
what
It
is
is
data type
integer.
of this ADMNO?
Integer.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Khushbu, unmute yourself. Start your video. Keep your video start. Pratyush, Khushbu, what is the size? What is the size of this ADMNO? Size. I meant to know the size. Tell me size. Amrita,
Yes,
size. Tell me the size.
3.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, Amrita?
Yes, sir.
So what will be admission number? Its data type is
Integer.
integer and its size is 3. So what we will give here? We will give here comma. Right? We will provide here comma because we have written about the one attribute. We have completed. Yes, Pragya, tell me. Pragya, tell me.
And so declare admission
Huh?
to declare the primary what's supposed to be done. Like, will we be leaving it this way only, or like something else or special is needed to be done to declare admission number or primary key?
That we will see here. But admission number, it is of integer type and its size is 3. Okay, is that till here? Is it clear? Till here is it clear?
Yes, but you
I need to
yes,
make
sir,
it
but you said
primary
that
key.
we'll be considering a declaration.
I need to make it primary key. Okay, I need to make it
Yes,
primary
sir.
key. So we will write here primary key. We will write here primary key. We will write here primary key. Now one is now here what we have given? Here we have given comma. What is here we have given comma? Means I have written the whole description of this field. This field completed. Now come to this field. Okay, students, unmute yourself and be participative. Student, unmute yourself and be participative. My next question is, tell me the detail of this field. What is the name? Name of this attribute? Name. Name. So we will write after comma. We have written here name. What is the data type? Data type?
Cash.
It is cat. Okay. Size?
30.
Size?
30.
30. Okay. So what I will give now after this?
Comma.
Comma. Okay, comma. Now next attribute. Which one is my next attribute?
Class.
What is my next attribute?
Class.
Okay, we will take class. Okay, we will take class. What is the data type of class?
Cat.
Cat. What is the size? 3.
1.
Comma. The next section.
Oh,
Section. It is cat. Size Okay. Now there is no more space on my board. If you wish, I hope you can now write it. Now suppose we are having till here only. We are having till here only. No more attribute after this. So we will give here in bracket. This is opening bracket and this is closing bracket. And we will press enter. After this, our table will be created. हमारा table बन जाएगा. Any problem to anybody? Any problem to
No,
anybody?
sir. No, sir.
Any problem? All have got it? Sima, Sakshi, Khushbu, Arshita,
No, sir.
सीमा पांडे टू मी. यस सर. कोई दिक्कत है? सीमा कोई दिक्कत है? विवेक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
इज इट क्लियर? टेबल बन जाएगा. ठीक है. अब ये टेबल बन जाएगा, है ना? ये टेबल बन जाएगा. तो प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखा दे.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to create database. टेबल बनाने के पहले हम लोग डेटाबेस को क्रिएट करेंगे, क्योंकि डेटाबेस में ही टेबल रहता है. तो सबसे पहले एक डेटाबेस बनाते हैं. क्रिएट डेटाबेस 11 A+B 11. Create database 11. Okay. Create database class 11. Class 11. Right. Database has been created. Take it. You must write this statement in your copy. Here this is create database. This is a command. It must be followed by the semicolon. Create database command. It is used to create database command. Create database command is used to create database with the given name. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. What is the use of create database command? You have written it. Create database. In above case, in my case, here, this is the name of the database. What is name of database? This is name of database. Name of database is class 11. Name of database is class 11. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next, we have created the database. Now, after creating database, we will write use class 11. Right. Now, you can see here, the next we have, what we have used here? We have again used here, use class 11. So this, it is used to, this is used to open. Use command is used to open the database. Open the database and make it ready to use. Ready to use and make it ready to use. In order to use it, we write use command is followed by the valid name of database. Right. Use command is followed by the valid name of database. What does valid mean? Valid mean the database which exists. Any problem to anybody in understanding this? The use command is used to open the database and make it ready to use. Use command is followed by the valid name of database. Valid means the database which exists. database which exists. I hope it is clear to you all. Next, we make it clear. So finally, we have changed the database. Now let's come to the, now we will make use of create table. Okay, create table, stud stood, and here we write admno integer, and its size is 4, and here we have given, here we have used name, it is character type, it is of size 30. Then here we have given class, it is of character type, we have given size 3, and then again comma, here we have given section, data type character, size 1. Okay, and then is mobile number. Okay, mobile number, it is of data type character, size 10. Okay, and finally we have closed the table, you can see here, and we have given press enter. Now here you can see students, here you can see this is the command. I hope it is visible. I hope it is visible. You can see this command. How many of you are ready to answer this question? How many of you are ready to answer the question which arises from this question, this command? Oh, the first, wait here. Tell me, first question. Let me keep it on the screen so that you could see it, and then you make your answers. Okay, if you want to answer, you will raise your hand. Right. What is the name of the table? What is the name of the table? Raise your hand. Okay. Sakshi Sinha, unmute yourself.
Sir, stood.
Stored. How many attributes are here?
Sir, 6.
6. Are you sure? Are you sure? Here there is 6 attributes. You can see this is 1 attribute. This is second attribute. This is third
Sir, 5.
attribute. This is fourth attribute. This is fifth attribute. Okay. So how many attributes are here? 5
Sir,
attributes.
5.
Next, Harshita. Harshita, which one is the third
Yes.
attribute? Which one is the third attribute?
Class.
Class. What is the data type of that attribute?
Sir, character 3.
Character. Okay. Next. I hope you have understood it. Next to it, we have name the last attribute. Okay. Name the last attribute.
Mobile.
Mobile. Last attribute is mobile. What is the data type of that attribute?
Char.
Huh?
Sir,
That is
char.
care.
Character.
Very good. Okay. Next. Why we have given the last closing bracket? Which key can be why we have given the in last, why we have given the closing bracket? That is the closing of all the attributes. That is the closing of all the attributes. Next, Sakshi or anybody else who wishes to answer. Anybody else who wishes to answer, he or she may raise his or her hand.
So, which question?
How, question which I am going to ask. How the
Yes, sir.
attributes are separated? How the two attributes in
Attributes are separated by a comma.
it is separated by a comma.
Comma.
Okay. Okay. Hello, very good. So I hope you have understood it. Any problem?
No, sir.
I am preparing some of the questions to be asked by you also. So now, have you taken it down? Have you taken it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next. Coming to the next question. Okay. Now next. So the next. So this will create. Now how to insert the values. Now when you will execute this command, जब ये कमांड को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, कौन सा कमांड को? ये वाले कमांड को which is visible on you on the screen. When you will execute this command, what it will happen? It will create first is ADMNO. It will create ADMNO. Okay. Then it will create name. Then it will create name. Then it will create class. Then it will create section. Then it will create. Okay, only this much I have written. Here only we have written. Okay. Now the table has been, the structure has been created. So the structure has been created. So which type of command it is? Which type of command it is? Create table. Which type of command it
DDL.
is? Which type of command it
DDL.
is? Please.
Data definition language. DDL.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Which type of command it is? Everybody?
Sir, DDL.
Okay. Okay, it is DDL, data definition language, right? Next. Next, we have how to insert. Is it visible? Is it visible, Pragya?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
my next question is how to insert data. Insert. How to insert data. Okay. So in order to insert the data, we will make use of insert into command. Okay, we will make use of insert into command. Okay, we will make use of insert into command, right? So let's see here. We'll make use. So first, we will write here. I hope it is visible. Is it visible? Now you see here, I am writing here. Insert into. Where to insert? In this table. What is the name of this table? The name of this table is stood. Insert into stood. Okay, this is optional. Here you can write the name of any table in which you want to insert the data. Insert into stood. Then we write values. Insert into stood values. First you will write the value of this field. Admission number 101. Name Akash. Then class It is of character type serial. Class is of character type. So we must write double inverted comma. It is 11. Section is again character type. So you must write with double inverted comma. Okay, then you write. You will give the interpress. Then you will press the enter at the last. Insert into table name values and value of all the field. Now suppose if you have provided one value less, what will happen? You will see error because 1, 2, 3, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will give error. Here also should be 1, 2, 3, and it should be 4. Now it will not prompt any error. So this will finally insert. The 101 will go here, and Akash will come here. Okay, Akash will come here. 11 will come here. Section will come here. Okay. The same way you can insert the record. Now, if you want to again insert the next record, again you will write insert into stored values 102. Aman should be double inverted comma because name is of character type. Then 11 and then section A. Now finally again you will press here enter, and again after pressing enter 102 will come here, Aman will come here, 11 will come here, A will come here. I hope it is clear to you all. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir, it is.
Is that clear? Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Any problem? Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir. Sir, could you please move towards, could you please move a bit towards your left?
Okay, done. Any problem?
Yes.
Could I come here?
Yes, sir.
I'm preparing your quizzes here. Okay. I'm preparing your quizzes for your today's revision. Chalo, only 4 questions I will ask today. Okay. I hope it is clear. Next. If is it clear to you, I'm going to launch a poll. Okay. You will answer it. Okay. Have you seen the poll?
No, sir.
Poll is not visible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No poll.
No poll is visible. Wait 1 minute. Next, how to select the record. अब रिकॉर्ड को तो हम टेबल बना लिए, रिकॉर्ड इंसर्ट कर लिए, अब रिकॉर्ड को देखना है, ठीक है? तो in order to see the record, which command will be? Which command will be? In order to see the record, in order to see the record, we use select statement. We use select. What do you use? SELECT. Select a star. Select a star from. Select a star from table का नाम. What is the name of the table? Stood. Select a star from stood. What are you doing? A star. The star means this also, this also, this also, this also, this also. As much as attributes are here, as long attributes are here, all will be visible. I am using a star. But if I want to see the details of admission number only, what do you write here? Select ADMNO from stood. Okay. Select ADMNO from stood. Only admission number will be visible. Only this will be visible. Only this column. Okay. Then I want to see this and this both. What we will write? Select ADMNO, comma, name from stood. Okay. From stood. So what is this? Select. This is the column name. This is column name. Two column names are separated by comma. Okay. Select admission number, name from. This is the table name. I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So you have understood it? Any problem?
Yes.
ठीक है. Yes, sir. Okay. Tell me where is the problem?
Sir, I didn't mean to say yes to that problem question. You asked, no, understood or not. So I said
Okay,
yes,
right.
understood.
Is it clear? So should we conclude it today here only? Tomorrow we will. So tomorrow we will complete the DML. Today I have done I we have done, insert we have done. Okay. But tomorrow we will do U and D. U means update and delete. Tomorrow we will do more things. Okay. Be prompt. Join tomorrow. Till then, take care.